morning. Welcome to our crop report review. Just coming out a few minutes ago, we have the latest crop report. We're going to go over it and see what the market reaction is to that report. Let's start with grain. Ending stocks in corn, the number came out at 1.837 billion bushels. The average trade guess was 1.86 billion bushels, a little smaller than people had anticipated. The soybean number is the number came out at 468 million bushels for U.S. ending stocks. The average guess was 457 million bushels, and then wheat, the number itself was 966 million bushels. The average guess was 975 million. So the bean number corn number a little smaller, wheat number a little smaller, bean number just a little larger. No real surprises here. World ending stocks for corn, the guess was 209.2 million metric tons. It came out under that. It came out at 206.97, so a smaller number than they thought. For soybeans, the average guess for this world number was 81 million metric tons. It came out at 78.87 million metric tons. The wheat guess was 238.1 million metric tons. The number came out at 237.59 million metric tons. And now let's look at world production for wheat. The number for Argentina was 11 million metric tons. India, the number was for wheat, it was 86.5 million metric tons. In soybeans, looking at that's wheat. In corn, looking at the corn number in Brazil, it was 84 million metric tons. Argentina, it was 27 million metric tons. Let's look at soybeans in Brazil. The number was 100 million metric tons. In Argentina, it was 58.5 million metric tons. And those numbers were all slightly low, just slightly below expectations. No real surprises here. Let's see the reaction of the market. Just before this number came out, May corn was down 3. Right now, May corn is up 1/4, so we have rallied in that. Looking at December corn was down 2.5 just before this number. December corn right now is unchanged on the day, also firming up. Let's look at beans. The number came out. May soybeans were up 3 just before this report. Right now, beans are in May are down 2, so we've weakened there. November soybeans were up 2.25, and right now the November soybeans are down 2.75. So a negative reaction to this report for corn and beans. The wheat report just before this came out, wheat was down 3.25 in May and down 3.75 in July. And right now at the moment, 12 minutes after this number has come out, May wheat's up 1/4 and July wheat is down 1/4 cent. So that market is firmed up. So corn is firmed up, wheat has firmed up, soybeans have weakened some from the report. Let's look at cotton. Let me just go straight to the USDA summation here. It's short. I'll just tell you right away what it is. Unchanged. Across every category, the cotton number from previous months was unchanged. That's what they expected. It says the U.S. 2015-2016 cotton supply and demand estimates are unchanged from last month. Marginal adjustments in harvested areas and yield reflect NASS's resurvey of the South Carolina crop. The marketing year average price received by producers is now estimated to range from 58 cents to 60 cents per pound, with the midpoint of 59 cents reduced from the February estimate due to declining market prices. With lower consumption partially offsetting lower production, global 2015-2016 cotton ending stocks are revised down this month. Production is estimated lower in India and Pakistan based on arrivals at gins, but higher in Australia. The 1 million bale reduction in India's crop reflects an early withdrawal of monsoon rainfall combined with pest damage in the northern states. Consumption is reduced mainly in Pakistan based on lower available supplies. World ending stocks are now projected at 103.3 million bales. So let's see what the cotton market has done. Just before this, May cotton was down 52. Right now, May cotton is down 54. July cotton, just before the report, it was down 43. Right now, July cotton is down 48. December cotton, just before this report, it was down 42, and right now the December cotton is down 50. So some slight weakening in cotton since this report. That's it for the USDA's production and supply and demand report. We hope you'll join us tomorrow morning for our monthly Ag Market Network cotton teleconference. Dr. John Robson will be our lead speaker joining our panel. That's it for today. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.